Meteorology in New South Wales has expanded their severe thunderstorm warning for heavy rainfall, damaging winds, large hailstones. The warning is current for the southern tablelands, southwest slopes, Snowy Mountains, ACT, parts of the Illawarra, south coast, central tablelands, central west slopes, and plains, Riverina, lower western and upper western forecast districts. Severe thunderstorms are likely to produce heavy rainfall, may lead to flash flooding, damaging winds, possibly large hailstones over the next several hours in those mentioned areas. However, areas that could be affected: Orange, Katoomba, Canberra, Goulburn, Cooma and Yass, and I believe there is damage in Yass. Goulburn Airport recorded 26 millimetres in 30 minutes from 1:15, 1:45. Now let's look at earlier imagery of the Bureau's Sydney radar. Bureau Meteorology Victoria has also issued a severe thunderstorm warning, damaging winds, heavy rainfall, large hailstones for the East Gippsland and parts of the northeast forecast districts, and you can clearly see where the activity is going by the latest instability. This is from 1300 hours through to the same period tomorrow. Followed by storm probability. Severe thunderstorm warning is also in place for Canberra. Heavy rainfall, damaging winds, large hailstones. Detailed severe thunderstorm activity for the Blue Mountains, Hawkesbury area. Bureau warns at 13:45 severe thunderstorms were detected on the Riverina near Blackheath, Katoomba, and are tracking towards the northeast. They may forecast to affect Burl, the Mount Tomah Botanical Gardens and Hazelbrook by 14:15, Blacksland, Springwood and Belpin by 14:45. Now we have a look at the Bureau's latest 12-hourly and 24-hour rainfall outlook. And whilst there's not much going on with the tropical weather scene, the Bureau of Meteorology is keeping an eye on a possible low to form. Now we have a look at supercell probabilities. The tropical low 11U is likely to develop within a deepening trough over the western top end of the Northern Territory or adjacent waters on Saturday or Sunday. This low is then forecast to gradually shift west over the Timor Sea either late in the weekend or early next week, and it's expected that a tropical low that develops in this area will track west to southwest into the western region and could develop into a tropical cyclone north of WA next week. The Bureau has percentages very low for the next 3 days. However, this could change when they update around 1600 hours Eastern Standard Time, or about 2:30 local time. Now we have a look at the upper level divergence, and not much to talk about wind shear. When you look at the wind shear over the last 4 or 5 weeks, it's really improved. 24-hour shear tendency right across the top end. And the 850 millibar vorticity. Now I'm still monitoring the Hotham region, Solomon Islands. We know that the Fiji Met Service had a weak low pressure system on their surface chart a couple of days ago. And here's a look at the Pivotal Weather website, the GFS precipitation model. The rainfall scale is on the bottom of the screen. It's the area in yellow through the dark brown. And finally, another look at ex-tropical cyclone Penny. And information on CRAP ex-Penny. It's at 20 decimal 4 south, 145 decimal 2 degrees east. It's at 20 knots and 1005 millibars. And dry air was one of the factors why it didn't develop further.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.